In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on Hootsuite. Whether you've posted something by mistake, your campaign strategy has changed, or perhaps the content is simply outdated, knowing how to properly remove a post from your Hootsuite dashboard is essential for maintaining your brand's image and keeping your content strategy sharp and relevant. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hootsuite's homepage. Hootsuite is a powerful tool that allows you to manage all your social media channels from one place, making your digital marketing efforts more efficient. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that. It's essential for managing multiple accounts seamlessly without having to log in and out of each social media platform individually. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Remember, you need to use the email address associated with your Hootsuite account. If your organization manages the account, it might be a good idea to ensure you're using the correct company email. After entering your email, you'll need to input your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so be sure to enter it exactly as you did when creating your account. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's usually a link to reset it. Once your credentials are entered correctly, hit the sign in button to access your dashboard. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself at the heart of Hootsuite, the dashboard. This area gives you an overview of all your connected social media accounts and scheduled posts, and it's from here that our main task begins. We need to plan ahead, literally, by clicking on the Plan tab. Planning is one of the most crucial aspects of social media management. It allows you to visualize your content calendar, making sure that your posts align with your marketing strategy and campaign goals. After selecting the Plan tab, a calendar view will appear, presenting all your scheduled posts across different platforms. Here's where things get a bit more detailed. To navigate to the specific week of the post you wish to delete, you'll click on calendar_view_week. This button allows you to zero in on the exact time frame, simplifying the search for the post in question, especially if you're managing a high volume of content. Next, to locate the precise post, you may need to click on the keyboard_arrow_down button. This drop-down function will help you sift through and select the correct post or posts planned for a particular day. Once you've found the post you wish to delete, click on it. Then you should see the option to delete this post. This step requires a pause and a moment of consideration. Remember, once a post is deleted, it cannot be recovered. It's gone for good. So make sure this is indeed the post you wish to remove from your schedule. If you're certain, go ahead and click delete. It's crucial to keep your content relevant and up to date, and sometimes that means taking down posts that no longer fit your campaign or company's message. The ability to swiftly navigate Hootsuite's interface and efficiently manage content, including deleting posts when necessary, is a valuable skill in today's digital marketing landscape. Deleting a post on Hootsuite is straightforward, but the key to a seamless process lies in careful navigation and knowing exactly where to find what you need in the dashboard. Remember, the Plan tab is your friend for all things scheduling, including the removal of posts that you no longer wish to go live. In wrapping up, I hope this tutorial has effectively guided you through the process of deleting a post on Hootsuite. With this knowledge, you can now manage your social media content more confidently and ensure that your feeds only showcase the most relevant and current content. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Happy content managing.